So, celebrity traitors, let's talk about it. If you don't want spoilers, now is your final chance to scroll away. Although some of the celebrities were so close, never have I ever been closer to supporting an England rugby player in my life. Once again, the Traitors managed to dominate, and it's not surprising. In fact, across the history of the games, the Traitors have got a better track record across all of the shows and all of the seasons. And why is that? The Traitors, Werewolf, Mafia, Blood on the Clock Tower, they all share the underlying mechanic of an informed minority versus an uninformed majority. So, how do the uninformed majority, in this case the Faithfuls, actually win? The ultimate strategy is one founded in logic and mathematics, using game theory to inform the decisions that people make. Unfortunately, these are all games about deception and human interaction and human emotion, and that often muddies what the choices that you make are. But in game theory terms, the Traitors is a Bayesian coordination game of n players, but of two different player types, Faithfuls and Traitors. The Traitors make up the informed minority, there's fewer of them, and they know the role of every player. They know the full game state. In contrast, the Faithfuls are the uninformed majority, and they don't know who's who. So they have to start the game with a baseline probability. Say that there are 3 traitors and 12 players total. That means everyone has a 1 in 4 chance of being guilty. The probability of a traitor is the number of traitors divided by the total number of players. Now, you do know your own role, so that does shift things personally, but globally, you're just as likely as anyone else. And then every interaction, vote, murder, elimination at the round table is an event that provides evidence, so players should update the probability using Bayes' rule. Doing this for every player gives you a list of probabilities, and then it becomes as simple as seeing who is the most likely to be the traitor and voting for them, right? Well, wrong. It's not just about who you think is guilty, but it's actually what everyone else thinks too. You need everyone to agree to vote for the same person. The Faithfuls only gain real value when they align their votes on the same suspect, splitting the votes across many different players, even if they are all traitors, as the traitors also get a vote and they can decide to completely derail the elimination. So what is the strategy for the traitors? Well, it's just to derail, it's to raise the entropy of the game. By killing and confusing the players who are the best at that coordination and best at updating people's priors, they'll keep the entire group off track and confuse everyone. More chaos, higher entropy, better game state for the traitors. So mathematically, the Faithfuls can only win when they do 3 things: update their probabilities together, coordinate votes, and reduce uncertainty faster than the traitors can spread it.